Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and show you how to install insulation. Super simple and easy. All you need is your insulation, a slap stapler, a razor blade, and a pair of gloves for safety, and a step ladder. Since there's no outlets in this section, we do not have to cut around anything, so it's a lot easier. But when we do get to a section that has outlets, we just go ahead and cut around them and then tuck it behind. So this cavity right here is a little bit smaller than the rest of them, so we're going to have to cut it down to size. We're going to go ahead and measure the inside of the cavity, and then we're going to go ahead and cut our insulation. Measures about 18.5, but we want it a little snug, so we're going to cut it at 19. we got a majority of the insulation installed. We actually have a bunch of scraps left over from when we were cutting to size, and this will actually be perfect for some of these small gaps right here, so nothing goes to waste. Hey guys, so this is it. We're all finished apart from one piece that we're missing. We just have to get some more, but other than that we have it all finished up and ready to go. Next step would be our wiring, and that'll be another video for another day.